To pick up and knit stitches along a cast on edge, you're going to start with the right side of your work facing you. Now if you look at the cast on edge, I've done a long tail cast on for this project, so you have all these little V's. And what you're going to need to do is insert your needle under both legs of one of these V's. So the first stitch in my cast on is actually where this tail is over here. So this is a little bit more difficult to see than the rest of the V's, but you can still see where, if I pull on that, there's these two legs that make up the first V of the cast on edge. So I'm going to insert my needle under both of these legs. So it's going from the right side of your work through to the wrong side of your work. And then I'm going to take my yarn and wrap it around my needle, leaving a tail to weave in later. And then I'm going to bring my needle through to the front of my work with that loop still on my needle. And then you're just going to continue like that, going into each of these V's. So you can see that first one, and then this is the next V after that. So you're going to take your needle under both legs of that cast on stitch, and then take your working yarn, just make sure you don't grab the tail yarn, wrap it around like you would for a knit stitch, and then you're just going to bring your needle through to the front of your work. Where you've got this tail that I haven't woven in from my cast on, I can just pass that through to the inside of my work when I go to weave in my ends at the end of the project. So again, I'm going to take my working yarn, and you can see where I've gone under both legs of this stitch for the last one we did. So the next one's here. So going under both legs of the next stitch, take my working yarn, wrap it around and bring it through, and then one more. You can see that's the stitch we just did, so we need to move on to the next one here. So both legs onto your needle, wrap your yarn around and bring it through to the front. And you're just going to keep doing that until you've picked up all the stitches you need by working along each of these cast on stitches.